I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, quick and easy hairstyle. Stay tuned. When you want to style your natural hair, the first thing to do is to stretch your hair. The method of stretching in this video is the banding method. We have other methods such as the African threading method. We also have the braiding method, or you can just blow dry your hair using your tools. But make sure that whatever you decide to do starts on stretched hair.